Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another product review for you guys. So I'm gonna review the K Beauty. I heard a lot about these products. This brand is apparently very good. So I bought their foundation and blush. So this was not sent to me. I bought it from Nykaa. So I had to guess my shade. I hopefully this will suit my skin tone. I don't know. Let's see. So I bought this 155 white tan. So what I do when I usually buy base products online is I know my foundation shade for Maybelline Fit Me is 310. So I find out YouTubers who use 310 as their foundation shade. So whatever they use might suit my skin tone also. It's always a trial and error method. It might be all wrong, but it's just a trial and error method. So we have to review this. So this one is K Beauty Hydrating Foundation, enriched with avocado and mango butter. The packaging looks like this. This is for 1200 rupees, and yeah, this is how the package looks like. So if you open it like this, you have a flip like this, and this is the bottle. It's a glass bottle. Open this one. It has a pump. So yeah, it has a pump, which is good. It is good for hygiene purpose. Still, yeah, let's see how it's gonna be. So I have not applied anything on my face right now. So I have a lot of pimple marks. Recently I've been getting a lot of pimples. I don't know if it's because I use mask. It's all here around the chin area, or is it because it's summer and it's hot? No idea. So let's move on. I'm gonna start with just one pump. Okay. So I heard that this is like a sheer to buildable coverage foundation. Let's see how this works. Yeah, I guess this shade is okay for me. So this foundation has this different categories where they have undertones and shades and everything, which is a really good range of shades, and I'm really impressed with the range of shades they have. They have this yellow undertone, pink undertone, neutral undertone. So for that they put Y, P and N near the shade number. So this is 155Y, which means 155 yellow undertone. I wanted yellow undertone because my skin is yellow undertone. It's not pink or neutral, so I went for yellow. Let's blend it out and see. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, this is like okay, this blended so well into my skin. 1 second. So this is how it looks like. So when you blend it, okay, it matches with my skin tone for sure, but it's a sheer foundation. It's not full coverage at all. It's sheer to buildable, I guess. I think we should go again with one more layer. So this is one layer, and now I'm gonna go again with one more layer. Let's see. So with one layer, I love the finish. It's like it gives a fresh look, but it doesn't look like I have makeup on, and it doesn't feel like I have makeup on. It's very light. I like it. I most probably will always go with one pump. I'm happy that the shade is matching with my skin tone. Otherwise, I would have like wasted 1200 rupees. So this is the second layer, and it has this glow to it. It's not like it has this shiny glowy look, and I love it. It's not very matte, but it has this, it's not oily as well. It has this fresh glowy look. I'm loving it. Yay. Okay, try putting some powder on top of it. That I'm using a translucent powder so that the shade won't change. I want to see the original shade of the foundation. Okay, so I'll let you guys know how long it stayed on my face like this. Anyway, in the first try, I kind of like the coverage, and I kind of like how it feels on your skin. It feels so light. I don't feel like I have anything on my face right now. It feels so good, and it's not cakey at all. Like I have 2 layers of foundation on my face, but it doesn't look cakey. It looks very natural. Yeah, I'll do the rest of my face and come back. So now we have this K Beauty blush to review. So let's see how this is. So this is K Beauty Matte Blush enriched with avocado plus mango butter, and this is in the shade, I bought the shade, which one did I buy? Yeah, I bought the shade Dusty Rose. So let's see, this is how the packaging is. So when you open it, you again have a flip like this. Yay, I kind of like this packaging a lot. It is very cute. It's like very sleek. It's very thin, and it has a metallic this thing like this. Doesn't matter. Okay, when you open it, okay, it comes with a mirror, and it has how do I take this plastic thing? I can't take this I'm like very scared to take this plastic thing. How do I take it without see, I made a dent right here because I took it with my nails. This is why I don't like it. Okay, now we have this. I'll just swatch it right where I made a dent. Okay, it's very light. Oh, I like this color. Okay, yeah, this is the color. It's very light. I like very light blushes. Okay, I hope you guys can see. So this is how it is. Just taking a little bit. Okay, that's so pigmented. I have to like really blend it out. But I love the shade. Wow. Now, can you guys see this color? I love it. It's so like very it's very light, but it's like a pretty pink color. I love this blush color as well. It gives that fresh blushy look. I think this is a beautiful blush color for dusky skin tone like mine. It is not that powdery as well. It slides on easily on your skin like a cream. Yay, I like it. So overall, I like the products. So the K Beauty foundation has this glow within kind of look, and it's not matte, but it's not oily as well. It's very light on your skin, and I hope this stays longer. I'll just let you guys know. So it's just that when I talk about K Beauty, it's not the usual very affordable brands. It's like this foundation itself is 1200 rupees, while Maybelline Fit Me, you will get this size foundation for I think 500 and something rupees. So that is there, but I think it's because it's K Beauty. It's the brand name, I don't know. So this blush, it is for it's 8.5 grams, and the blush is for this 719 rupees. It's actually 799. When I bought from Nykaa, I got some offer and I got it for 719. But the difference is like you don't feel like you're wearing makeup at all. It's very comfortable on your skin. It feels so fresh. It doesn't feel like you have this load of makeup on your skin, and I have like 2 layers of foundation on my skin and I don't feel like it at all. So I'll put everything, the links and everything down below in the description box. This is like 5 to 6 hours since I applied my makeup, and I'm pretty happy with it because it's actually still intact, and it's like it has this dewy glowy look which I am loving. This is the highlighter, it's not the foundation, but here and now you can see a little bit of shine which I'm liking. I like that shiny look rather than the matte look. So yeah. Okay, guys, so it's been 8 hours since we applied the foundation, and it looks like this now. It's a bit oily, but my face is really oily, so it gets oily, and the blush is still there, and I'm loving it. So, yeah, it's not that bad. For 8 hours, it's a good foundation, and if it gets oily like this, if you have really oily skin like me, all you have to do is just, if you have a compact powder or a loose powder, just touch your face and it's gonna be fine. So yeah, I am pretty happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.